In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your inventory list on Shopify. This process is a great way to keep a physical record of your stock, making it easy to manage your products and ensure everything is in order. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Shopify admin dashboard. It's here that you control everything in your store, so it's important to be familiar with this space. Next, navigate to the Products section. You'll find this in the menu on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the products you currently have in your store. Now, our goal is to get this list into a format that's easy to print. To do this, look for the Export button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the Products page. Click on Export, and a new window will pop up with a few options for exporting your product data. In this window, you'll see choices for exporting your data. You can pick between exporting your current product list, all products, or even certain filtered products if you've set any filters. For an inventory list printout, it's often best to choose either all products or a specific filtered selection that suits your needs at this moment. Once you've made your choice, look for the export options below. It typically offers formats like CSV for Excel, Numbers, or another spreadsheet program. This format is great because it's widely compatible with a variety of software, making it easy to work with no matter what tools you're using. After selecting your format, click on the Export Products button. This might take a moment, so be sure to give it some time if needed. Shopify will create a downloadable file and either prompt you with a download link or send it directly to your email, depending on the number of products being exported. It's nice to note that if your product list is large, email might be a more efficient option as it won't clog up your browser. Once you have the file, open it in your preferred spreadsheet program. Here, you can review the list to ensure everything looks correct. At this point, make any adjustments as needed, such as resizing columns or deleting columns that aren't relevant to your printed inventory list. When you're satisfied, head to the Print function in your spreadsheet program. This will vary slightly between software, but generally, you'll find it under the File menu, where you can select Print. Before hitting that Print button, double-check your printer settings to ensure the paper size and layout are set correctly. Once everything looks perfect, click Print, and voila! You now have a printed version of your Shopify inventory list. It's as simple as that, and having this list on hand can be an invaluable tool for managing your stock efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your inventory management process on Shopify.